Let's do an example of calculating the net pay using the percentage method. Charlie is married and claims 2 exemptions. He is paid bi-weekly and earns $1,825. The first thing we want to do is calculate the amount of federal tax to be withheld from his paycheck. To do this, we use the table in Appendix C to find first the amount of the exemptions that need to be reducing his federal wages. Page 293 has this table. If we look at it, it is a bi-weekly exemption of $153.80. Charlie has 2 exemptions, so we need to multiply the $153.80 by 2 to get $307.60. Our next step is to take the $307.60 and subtract it from his wages to calculate the amount of income that is subject to withholding. $1,825 minus $307.60 is $1,517.40. We are now ready to use the percentage method table to find the federal tax to be withheld. This table is found on page 294 in your book. The first thing we look at is the bi-weekly payroll period for a married person. When we look at Charlie, his income that is subject to be withheld is $1,517.40. Therefore, he falls between the $1,040 and the $3,212 category. When we look at the table, we say that the amount of income tax to be withheld is $70.90 plus 15% of his excess over $1,040. Let's calculate the excess. The excess is $1,517.40 minus $1,040 to get $477.40. We now take the excess and multiply that by 15%. $477.40 times 0.15 is $71.61. Our final step is to take the $70.90, add it to the $71.61 to get a total of $142.51. This is the amount of federal tax that will be withheld from Charlie's paycheck.